Hi all, welcome to Invest with RJS. This is just intro video about our channel and what we do in our channel. So we are mainly into financial sector and especially in stock market where we have around 6 to 7 years of experience starting with the equity markets, F&O and also mainly on the longer term investments. So the objective of this creating a channel is to uh, show about what we do as a research, like research on a particular stock to maintain and tell how exactly this can do in future, what are their fundamental and technical aspect of an individual stock. So and then also we go about day-to-day activities is happening in the stock markets, updates about the uh, results, quarterly results, and also bonus, split, etc. Mainly, we are concentrating on the foundations for an individual contributor or individual retailer who wants to get into a stock market or the financial sector. So, what should be the foundation of an individual? So, for that reason, we are creating a YouTube channel. This is just an intro video for the same. And we also have our blog where we write our articles about the same, Invest with RJS, where if we go about it and we can see whenever we started from the scratch, as like most of the people will know, like whenever we say a name of stock market they'll be having a fear about it. So we just wanted to help out people just to get into stock markets and how we can go about in future for the same. So we also have covered a lot of other cases where how to identify fundamentally strong stocks. So and then important updates. So successful, how to be key factors to be successful in the stock market with a simple word so that everybody can understand. So um, please subscribe and help us to grow in the YouTube. So thank you one and all. So if you have any questions or anything just to about what topics we have to cover and anything, you can also comment us. Thank you.